Hi everyone, and a special shout to you for watching this video. Today I'm going to make a hoodie for the dad. His hoodie is going to be looking a bit different than, well, a lot different than the other hoodies. I'm going to use this as also a buff, this material, camouflage material, and it's nice and stretchy. So I'm going to use this material. And then I've got this pattern from my Froggy Stuff. So I just want to say thank you so much to my Froggy Stuff Latoya for giving all this free printouts for our doll enthusiasts. It's truly appreciated by, I think, many of us. So this is the pattern I'm going to use. I've got patterns that I've made previously on. If you go to my playlist of doll clothes, you will see how I make my own patterns. But this time I'm going to use this already printed pattern. This stands here as a female sweatshirt, but it's way too big for my dolls, for Sally. It's way too big for the female dolls. It's even a bit too big for Ken, my doll. It's even a bit too big for him as well, but it's not so bad. And maybe just the sleeve that I'm gonna have to make definitely shorter, and maybe a bit but I will see, because I can make the seam then a bit wider here. But I'm definitely gonna have to cut it short, make it shorter, because I want to put cuffs and that stuff on. So and I'm not going to use this hoodie here. I'm gonna make my own hoodie on my old way, my easy way. I'm gonna make a hoodie. So yeah, this is the pattern and the hoodie for that. So let's get started. there you go. That's hoodie sweater. I actually should have left the pattern the way it was, because this is a little bit tight around the dad, so it could have sit a little bit looser on him, but oh no, I think it's quite cute. So there you go. That's sweater. So until next time, bye.